Good evening. This is Utkarsh Anand, and my company for the presentation is Accenture Private Limited, which is a Fortune 500 company based in Dublin. It's an Irish company which provides professional services such as technical assistance and financial services. Its operating income is around 6.31 billion, and its net worth is 4.41 billion US dollars. Now we talk about the hiring process of the company's HR. So the first thing that happens is creating an opening. So they upload an opening in the website. Then the second round is for junior level staff, the junior level recruitment. There is a written round which has to be qualified. After that, there will be a technical round. After qualifying the technical round, you'll sit for an interview, a face-to-face interview where the employee's mindset and other criterions based on the job are checked, and then the next one is discussion of the salary, which is also done in during the interview itself. After that, for junior level staff, there is a 6 month probation period, junior level technical staff, and under and during this period, the performance is analyzed by the HR, and based on the performance, their job is secured. Mostly, these are very not too strict. There is an exam after the probation period of 6 months where the employee can be judged on the basis of the result of the test. For managerial or a little bit of higher level of posts, the first thing that is done is to be uploading an opening. The second one would be a telephonic interview. So this company does not prefer face to face interviews in the beginning. They go for telephonic interviews, and then the second one is the technical interview. Technical round is basically a video conference or maybe a pen and paper test that is basically online. The next one is manager and operation round. A manager or operation round is basically the round where the manager or the adjacent senior to the person sees if the employee is good enough to work with the team or the company and the mindset of the employee or the candidate, because he's not an employee yet. The next one is salary discussion, which is the last round of the interview. After that, offer letter is mailed to the candidate, and then an induction date is fixed where the person is called to the company for the first day. It is only for one day, where documentation and introduction with other staffs as well as orientation and a tour of the company is given. Now we talk about the functions of HR. The major functions of HR in Accenture is the first and foremost function that is of every HR in this world, that is recruiting. The HR is solely responsible for recruiting staff in every department, and every 3 months, the managers or the operational heads give a list of staff that are required or that have left, which is then posted on the website as openings for the job, and thus the interviews are conducted and the spots are filled. The second one of the most important aspects of the HR is to provide a safe environment. So Accenture basically looks for employee safety in extreme manners. So the HR is responsible for the safe environment in the wake of the events that are going on in today's world, such as workplace harassment and fouling pranks and deteriorating relationships between employees because of competition. The HR maintains a safe and sound environment of the workplace. The next one is employer employee relationship. Uh, an HR is solely responsible and is also given the responsibility to be the mouth and ear of the employer. So the messages of the employer is delivered to the employees through the HR, and it also tells the functioning of the HR also tells how the upper management or the board is taking something, any issue. And then the next is taking complaints. HR has this work that they can take any complaint in Accenture. There are complaint boxes in every department where they can write anonymous reports against any sort of discomfort or displeasure that they have with the workplace. The next one is compensation and benefits. In under this one, the employees are provided with compensations and benefits with the help of HR. So HR has the sole responsibility to provide with the employee with their salary, the salary raise every year, at the end or the beginning of the financial year. Basically, in Accenture, it is considered to be the end of the financial year. Every March, the salary is increased, and it is increased on the basis of an overall performance analysis, which is directly like considered uh, in a meeting with the employee and the HR, talking one to one and discussing the salary raise. And generally the salary raise is from 3% to 7%, or maybe for upper management it's from 5% to 20%. The next one is labor law compliance. This is very important because this talks about the legal aspects of an HR, where every HR has to in Accenture has to go through the labor laws and all the laws that are industrial laws that are to be followed by the company, and to make sure that the company policies match and are up to date with the current laws that are prevailing. The next one and the last one is the training and development of employees. So basically, in this point, the HR is the one who provides training, that is the probation or the training period, through various experts to the employees, and this is the responsibility of HR. So with this, to the end of the presentation. Thank you so much.